I learned a super quick and easy way to cut an onion into thin strips, so I'm going to show you how. I start by cutting off the ends of the onion to remove the peel more easily. If the skin is already loose and can be peeled off easily, go ahead and do it to prevent the knife from slipping. But if it's stuck, don't worry, it will come off as you make the first cuts. Removing these tips first makes peeling the onion much easier. Next, remove any bad layers of skin. Sometimes the first layer is damaged, but you don't need to cut off a whole chunk. Just make a light cut from top to bottom and the first layer will come off easily without wasting any onion. If you notice more damaged layers, simply repeat the process. Once the onion is clean, cutting in half. It's best to use a knife like this, one with a thick pointed blade, no serrations, and very sharp. Before cutting, it's important to know that this is not the correct way to hold the knife. Having your finger in this position could lead to injury. One proper way to hold the knife is by gripping the base of the blade with the first 3 fingers, thumb, index, and middle finger, while wrapping the rest of your hand around the handle. However, in this case, I will be using another valid grip, holding the wide part of the knife slightly above the blade, which feels more comfortable for me. Now, once you have the onion in this position, don't cut with the knife straight. Instead, tilt your knife like this to begin slicing so you get thin strips like this. If you start cutting with the knife straight, the first slice will come out extremely thick. Once you make the first cut, gradually tilt the knife in the opposite direction until you reach the middle. Then rotate the onion to this position to continue slicing. It's important to position these 3 fingers like this to avoid cutting yourself, with the knuckle slightly sticking out to protect your skin. Also, make sure to hold the onion firmly, as it could slip and cause you to cut yourself. And that's it. This is how the cut should look.